Okay, this is the ScreenPop app dashboard. So on the left here we have a link to Zoom. Shows your next meeting here, and you can access the agenda by either clicking agenda or clicking the meeting itself. And that allows you to access your agenda, which we'll run through in a bit later. If you click on my profile, you can change your profile image, and you can also reset your password here as well. At any point, if you click on the home, it'll take you back to your dashboard. You can also sign out here. Key here, if you're a member of lots of groups or have more than one business in a group, they will be listed here, and you can switch between them by just clicking. As you can see up there, the meeting date's changed for the next meeting date for East Notts. There's a tag cloud on the bottom here. Just clicking on there will bring up obviously sort of things that are featured with HR, which is what I clicked on. I think that's just a test blog post. You have news here. That's obviously posted by ScreenPop. Latest blogs, everybody can blog on the platform, and I'll show you how to do that later. And there's forums as well, and you see your forum posts. At the bottom it lists everybody that's in your group. You can obviously by clicking on them, it also take you to their profile as well, so you can find out more about your group if you so wish to.